Can a channel that prides itself on American-made gear, from my Warren winch to my tires, really get away with using filters made overseas? I got called out in the comments section, and it's a fair question. Today I'm talking about quality and specs and why I still trust Dox filters when I service my Gladiator EcoDiesel and my Wrangler EcoDiesel. Welcome to Muddy Rutz. I love the community we're building, and sometimes you guys ask the tough question. A viewer rightfully brought up the Made in China stamp on some of the Dox filter boxes. As a retired sheet metal worker, I buy American when I can, but when it comes to servicing my EcoDiesels, let's talk trade-offs. This video isn't sponsored. This is my real-world defense based on facts. Let me touch on 3 points: convenience, the value proposition, and exceeding OEM service intervals. First of all, my DIY how-to brain loves the convenience. The oil filter, fuel filter, cabin air filter, and engine air filter, all in one box. No chasing 4 separate part numbers. For value, the price is a game changer. For around $120, I got all 4 of these filters shipped to my house. That's less than what I paid for just a cartridge oil filter at the dealer last time. For service intervals, this great value is a key because I can financially justify changing all 4 filters every 5,000 miles, which well exceeds the manufacturer's recommendations. That's true maintenance peace of mind. I hear the comments, blue collar roots, but made in China. I get it. I put my money where my mouth is on American made goods. My tires, my bumpers, my Jeep vehicles, it's all American made when the option exists. If anybody can tell me where you can buy an American made cartridge filter, let me know in the comments. As far as I know, they're all made in either China or Poland. But here's the engineering reality. Finding a complete high quality filter kit that's made in the USA is darn near impossible. That's why I use Dox. They guarantee that their filters meet or exceed OEM specifications regardless of the country of origin. What you're paying for is that quality control assurance. I know I'm not putting a subpar filter in my vehicle just to save $1. I put a no-name cartridge oil filter in my Jeep Wrangler years ago when I was at Joshua Tree National Park. It had worked its way loose, and looking at it afterwards, we realized that the O-ring was actually smaller than what an OEM O-ring was. I had to bum a ride, take a bus to the dealer in Joshua Tree, and then rent a car to get all the way back up to where my vehicle was to change it. Ironically, the cartridge filter that I paid $120 for at the dealer in Joshua Tree said made in China on it. There will be a link to that Joshua Tree video appearing over my head. I've done the research, folks, and the only cartridge oil filters I can find are either made in China or Poland. Finding American-made fuel, air, and cabin air filters in a convenient package is a challenge. But guess what? The cabin air filter is made in the USA. Until all that changes, I won't compromise my engine's health. I purchased all these filters with my own money, but I will have links in the description. If you use those links to purchase any of the products you see, it won't raise the cost of that product to you, and it helps support the channel, and it really means the world to me to have your support. The takeaway here on Muddy Rutz is simple. Maintenance is non-negotiable. I prioritize American-made, but I refuse to risk my engine with an unknown filter, and I refuse to break the bank by paying the dealer 3 times the price. Dox gives me the economic freedom to perform better maintenance than the factory calls for, with the assurance that all my filters are going to meet or exceed OEM standards every single time. If this honest breakdown helped you, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Muddy Rutz for more real-world DIY and off-road videos. I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget, on Muddy Rutz, the best is yet to come.